mag-budget call. Na sa ganun, nakasynchronize yung mga needs and priorities ng mga local government units doon sa i-prepare na National Expenditure Program o the President's Budget.
Pero Pangulo, nabanggit din po ninyo sa inyong nakarang Twitter speech na may mga contractors tulad ng Darcy and Hannah Builders, Wow Builders, that are repeatedly implicated with big or cycle projects that are so-called ghost of Philippine projects. Bakit po nangyayari ito? Ano po ba, meron po bang pamamaraan, Mr. President, na maiwasan na ito sa susunod, na ito po'y matanggalan na lisensya, na ito po'y makasuhan para hindi na po umulit pa?
Rightly so, Mr. President. We really should run after this people. But of course, we also have to rectify yung mga flaws sa ating sistema sa gobyerno rin. Because it is the pickup that issues accreditation given to agencies na nabanggit naman ni Minority Leader kanina na may kaso na sa Court of Tax Appeals. Nire-renew pa yung accreditation. Tapos single A lang yung categorization. Bibigyan mo ng pagkakalaking level. So these are things that we should tackle when the Durable Committee resumes its hearing, next hearing. We should raise this issue with PICAP, with DPWH, with all the agencies that should clarify these matters.
Mr. President, I have last two questions. Would the good gentleman, the former chief of the Philippine National Police, that the existing or that specific gaps or loopholes in the current accountability chain from project design to fund release to monitoring allow corruption and inefficiency to persist unchecked?
We should not allow, Mr. President. And we have this mandate of oversight because pag nagpasa tayo ng batas, our duty doesn't stop there. We should monitor, we should exercise our oversight function as members of the Senate, as members of Congress, to see to it that the law that we pass are properly implemented. In this case, the General Assembly.
Mr. President, would you agree to have an independent third-party inspection of projects to detect ghost projects or substandard construction in real time? Kasi po, may sabwatan ng DPWH at COA. So, sang-ayon po ba kayo nagkaroon ng third-party inspection?
Sangayon po ako, Mr. President. Si Gentleman from Panama.
Regarding calls for independent audit investigation, would you support including local community-led monitoring or citizen reporting platforms to add another layer of oversight, Mr. President?
I agree, Mr. President.
Finally po, Mr. President, would you happen to know ang kontraktor na kamag-anak po ng isang COA official or other government agencies?
Alam po natin lahat yan, Mr. President.
Maraming salamat po, Mr. President. Now I yield the floor.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Senator Leader.
Yes, so, Mr. President, I think ladies and
Salamat, Mr. President. My respected colleague in the minority pananagutan, Mr. President?
The real culprit here, Mr. President, is collusion. Without collusion, hindi po pwede mangyari ito. We encountered one DPWH official. Hindi ko na sabihin ko anong lugar, pero minor official po ito na nasa district niya. Ayaw niyo pong magsama kasi member sa inspection team. Pagka may ganun, makakalusot kaya meron isang ayaw makisama. So, the real culprit really is collusion. Pag nagkaisa-isa yung sindikato, patay na si Juan de la Cruz.
Alang-alang kay Juan de la Cruz, sana, Mr. President, mabuhay yung ganung mga minor members.
At mabuhay si Leandro Legarda
Mabuhay
Leviste.
si Leandro Legarda Leviste.
No, this is
Opo,
the
Mr.
first time that I
President.
heard na yung congressman mismo ang nagpa-entrap doon sa nagbabribe sa kanya. It's really a breath of fresh air. Hindi, talaga. Not because Senator Legarda is here. Hindi ko kaano si Leandro.